Let's do this thing. Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Arias. I am a yoga instructor, a mother of two, a holistic health coach, and I'm here to bring you some yummy, wonderful flows that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. So if that sounds like something good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit notifications. I upload on Saturdays, and I hope you enjoy. All right, let's get started. For today's practice, you just need a mat maybe, some space. You can always grab one of my Spotify playlists. I'll throw some down below for you if you'd like some music to listen to while you do your flow. No props, but if you have a wall handy, that could be really nice. I'm gonna offer some wall poses at the very end. And you can always modify if you don't have a space in which you can lay in front of a wall. Just, you know, some of us don't have the great space in front of a wall that works perfectly for these postures, but if you have just a little space in front of a wall, you'll be good to go. All right, we're gonna get started in upright seated position. Take your legs and cross them in front of you. Then start to take some small movements, maybe rocking from side to side. Maybe releasing your head down, making circles. And we'll start to take that movement into the torso, lifting and opening the chest. Draw the elbows back, and then round the spine, tuck the chin, draw the belly button back behind you. And lift the chest and look up. And round the spine, relax the head. Lift the chest and look up. Let's take some big circles. Big circles. Chest opens in the front and rounds in the back, just awakening the spine. We'll go ahead and switch it the other way. Nice. So go ahead and come back to center. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale the hands down to the heart and fold forward. Relax the head down. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Really think about lengthening through the spine here. Drawing the hips back toward the mat, relaxing the head, relaxing the neck. And walk your hands over to the right side. Draw that left shoulder down. Find the stretch across the entire side of the left body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's go and walk your hands over to the left side. Take the right hand on top of the left. Draw the right shoulder down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And let's go walk your hands back to center. And walk your hands back up, come up to sit. We're going to go ahead and switch the legs. So go ahead and take the hands behind you, open up the legs, and switch. Left leg in front of right or right leg in front of left, whichever is your non-dominant way to sit. Sit down, make sure both sit bones are down, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale the hands down in front of you. Walk them forward. Release the head down. Deep breaths here. Relax the shoulders. Both hips pulling back toward the back of your room. Allow the head to relax. Allow the spine to be long. Nice. Go ahead and walk your hands over to the right side. Take the left hand on top of the right. We're going to see some movement here with the inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift and open up. Exhale, round it down. Inhale, lift and open. And exhale, round down. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, round it down. You're going to walk your hands over to the left side. Take the right hand on top of the left. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, relax it down. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, relax it down. Inhale, lift and open. And exhale, relax it down. Go ahead and walk your hands back to center. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then go and walk your hands up, come up to sit. We're going to roll the shoulders a few times, bringing the shoulders up toward the ears, and then releasing. Bring the shoulders up toward the ears and release. Nice. Bend the left hand down, reach the right arm up and over. Look up toward the ceiling. Find a stretch across the side of your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Go ahead and switch, taking the right hand down, left arm up and over. Stretch across the side body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, so go ahead and come up to sit. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms and lift the heart. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Around the spine, draw the arms in together. Tuck the chin. Inhale, lift and open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Beautiful. We're going to come into tabletop position. So go ahead and take your hands down, shoulder width distance, and take your knees right underneath the hips. Coming to the center of the mat. Inhale, lift the chest and look up, tilt the tailbone up. Exhale, round the spine. Relax the head. Arch the back. Inhale, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round. Come back into a neutral tabletop position. Take the toes together, knees apart wide, and fall back into a child's pose. Release the head down onto the mat. Walk the fingers far away, find length in the spine. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go ahead and lift yourself up, come to tabletop. Tuck the toes and lift the hips for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Roll yourself forward, come into high plank. Hold here. Knit the lower ribs together, press the mat away actively, dome up over the shoulder blades. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in.
Breathe out. Lift the hips and lift the right leg, three-legged dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend the knee, hug it in, knee to nose. Place the foot down between the hands and ground the left heel. Lift and open to warrior two. So go ahead and sink into that right knee, trying to draw the thigh almost parallel with the mat. Extend the arms out and look over the right hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Flip the right hand, reach back. Open across side body. If this creates any strain on the neck, look down at the foot instead of up toward the ceiling. Sink a little bit deeper into that right knee, keeping the integrity of the bend. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Curl the hands down to frame the foot. Step it back to high plank. Lift the hips, down dog. Lift the left leg, three-legged dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Bend the knee, hug it in knee to nose, and place the foot down between the hands. Ground the right heel, open up to warrior two. So sink into that left knee, open up the arms, look over the left hand. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Flip the left hand, reach back, open up across the side body. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Carve the hands down and frame the foot. Step back to high plank, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, down dog. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come up on the toes, plant the hands, slowly walk your toes up to the top of the mat. Keep the hips lifted, pull the belly in. Press the hands down here and continue to lift up on the hips. Lift up on the toes, press, press, press. Deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, lower the heels down. Find a ragdoll, release the stomach onto the thighs. Interlace the hands behind the head and just sway back and forth, finding your release of the low back. Release behind the legs. Deep breaths. And then take their hands on your hips, press down to your feet, lift yourself up, coming up to stand in mountain pose. Release the hands down to the sides, close the eyes, and set an intention for your practice. Inhale the arms overhead. Shift the weight to the left leg, bend the right knee, and lift it up, bring hands to heart center. Then turn the foot. Coming into figure four, sit back for your chair pose, reach your arms out in front of you. Flex through this right foot to support the knee. Take a deep breath in. breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Nice, reach the arms overhead, bring the knee up, come into one-legged Tadasana. Take the hands, interlace them, press them away. Deep breath in, breathe out. To the left hand down, right arm behind, come into a twist. You can stay here, grab the outside of the right foot and extend that leg out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Next, we're going to swing that right leg back, coming into half moon. Take the left hand down, the right arm up, open up across side body, flex to that right foot, reach the right hand toward the ceiling. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Bend the left knee, then go ahead and re-straighten. Bend the left knee, re-straighten. Bend the left knee, gently place that right foot down, warrior two. Straighten through the left leg, coming into triangle pose. We're going to keep this arm lifted, so left arm reaches, right arm reaches across, find a diagonal with the arms. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale. Nice, lift yourself back up, rebend the left knee, warrior two, cartwheel the hands down. Step back to high plank, lower halfway, inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale to down dog. Breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale. Place your hands down, come up on the toes, walk those feet up, pull the belly in, keep the hips lifted. Continue to press on the hands, lift, lift, lift on the hips. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Nice, lower those heels down, roll yourself down, inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms overhead, press the palms together, look up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, the arms overhead, lift that left leg, bend the knee, open the hip, reach the arms out in front of you and sit back for figure four chair. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Nice, lift the arms back overhead, bend the left knee, lift it up for one-legged Tadasana. Take the right hand in front, left arm reaches back, find a twist. You can stay here, or reach for the outer edge of the left foot and extend the leg out. Breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale. Nice, go ahead and sweep that leg back, half moon, right hand comes down, left leg reaches up, open up across side body, flex through the left foot. Breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Nice, bend that right knee. Find a dip, and then straighten through. Bend that right knee, find a dip, and straighten. Bend that right knee, find a dip, place that left foot down, warrior two, then straighten through that right leg. Reach the right arm forward, find that diagonal, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Nice, reopen back up, bend that right knee, warrior two, cartwheel hands down. Step back to high plank, lower down halfway, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice, lower the forearms down onto the mat. Clasp the hands together. Place your head down. Start to walk the feet forward. You can stay here or draw the knees in and just come into a little tuck here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. If you're in a tuck, gently place the feet down. We'll all meet here. And then lower the knees down wide and fold back to a child's pose. Release the head down by lengthen the vertebrae here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice. Draw the knees in together. Roll yourself up, come up to sit. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart. Bring your hands back down on the mat. Tuck the toes and lift the hips, downward facing dog. Come up on the toes, bend the knees and gaze between the hands, and make your way to the top of the mat. Lift and lengthen the spine, reach the head forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms overhead. Press the palms together, look up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Come to stand in mountain pose. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale the arms overhead. Place the palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center. Shift the weight to the left leg, bend the right knee and lift it. Hit the leg and cross it, coming into that figure four chair. Extend the arms out. Spread the hands out. Spread the fingers, make them strong. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your hands down onto the knee and to the foot. Sit down a little bit lower and then pull forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Sit down into a squat, opening up that hip. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Extend the right leg out, pistol squat, hug the legs together. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten through the left leg, extend the right leg back behind you and up, coming into standing split. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lower the right leg down. Come into a forward fold. Lift and lengthen the spine. Reach the head forward. Find that flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale the arms overhead. Press the palms together. Look up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Shift the weight to the right leg. Left knee lifts. And then cross it and sit back.
Reach the arms out in front of you, spread the fingers wide. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Forward fold, hinge at the hips. Find a little bit of a stretch through the hips here. Deep breath in, breathe out. Sit back into a squat to open up the hip. Deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Extend that left leg out for pistol squat. Hug the legs in together, squeeze. Deep breath in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Straighten through the right leg. Take that left leg up and back for a standing split. Extend the left leg toward the ceiling any amount. And just start to work on hanging over, drawing that right head down toward the right leg. One more breath. And lower that left foot down. Lift and lengthen the spine. Reach the head forward. Exhale, fold. Slowly come up onto both tops of your feet. Come into a squat. And come up to sit. Hopefully your hair doesn't look as crazy as mine right now. See if you can find a balance. Maybe take the hands to the heart center. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can stay here. You can work on opening up the knees and then hugging them back in. Opening the knees and hugging back in. Opening the knees. Hugging back in. Opening the knees and hugging back in. Last time we're going to open the knees and stay. Maybe draw the arms out in front. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly lower yourself down, coming into Baddha Konasana. So gently lower the seat. Open up the knees. Take the feet together. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Next, we're going to come into pigeon pose. We're going to take right leg across the front of the mat first. And extend that left leg back behind. Take any motions that feel good to first get in your pigeon pose. Might feel good to kind of come back and forth on the hip. Or look over the right shoulder. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out and lower it down. You can make a fist pillow for your head or relax your head down onto the ground. We're just going to be here breathing for a few moments. Breathe into that hip. Relax your head, relax the shoulders. Continue those deep inhales and exhales, your Ujjayi breath. Continue to keep that body warm. Next, go ahead and press yourself up, come up to sit. You can come up on your fingertips, open up the hip here, deep breath in. Breathe out. And go ahead and swing that left leg around. Bring the left foot on top of the right. If you have full lotus, you can go ahead and come into it now. We're just going to inhale the arms overhead and fold forward. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice. Go ahead and walk yourself up, come up to sit. We're going to take pigeon on the left this time. So left leg comes across, right leg swings behind. Again, setting up any movements that feel good here to get into this hip opener. So maybe rolling back and forth a little bit, looking over the left shoulder this time, drawing the leg more parallel across the front of the mat to open the hip more. Deep breath in, exhale, fold. Find something for your head to release down onto, whether it's a fist pillow, a block, or the floor, or your hands. And just take some deep breaths here. One more deep breath. Nice, go ahead and lift yourself up. Swing that right leg around. Bring the right foot on top of the left. Or come into full lotus if that feels good to you. Sit up tall, deep breath in. Exhale, fold forward. We'll take a few deep breaths here. Nice, go ahead and lift yourself up. Coming up to sit, and this is our time to come against a wall. Now, if you don't have a wall, you can just forego the wall and take these postures without it. I'll cue you through both. I'm gonna go ahead and come over to this wall here. Scoot my body the whole way against the wall and extend the legs up, finding legs up the wall pose. So making any adjustments that feel good to you here. Just make sure your body is scooted up against the wall, nice and supported. Take the arms overhead and just find a few deep breaths. If you're not scooting over to a wall, you can just find waterfall by extending your legs up toward the ceiling, finding a place where they can relax up above. Feet deadly right over the hips. We're starting to slow down toward the end of the practice. Starting to relax. Go ahead and take your feet and place them against the wall, or take your feet and place them on the ground. Extend the right leg up and cross right leg over left for figure 4. So if you're against the wall, depending on how deep you bend that knee, the more open your hip will be. And if you're on the ground, you can go ahead and grab behind the left thigh and hug it in a little bit tighter to get a little bit deeper into this right hip. We'll take a few deep breaths here. One more deep breath. Nice, going to release that right foot to the wall. We're going to take figure 4 with the left. So crossing it over. Now depending on how open you are, you might feel better extending that leg up and just pressing here. Or if you want to go deeper, bending that right leg and opening up the left hip just a little bit more. Take a few deep breaths. Nice, go ahead and extend both legs back up toward the wall or up toward the ceiling. Find a nice supportive pose. Cactus the arms and gently close the eyes. Allow your body to be fully supported and relaxed. Maybe release your jaw. Release the head. Shavasana. stay here for as long as you like.